clean. This is a bird. This is the bird's beak. This earth's beak. These birds.
These are birds.
These are birds. Look at the beak. The bird's beak is big. The bird's beak is big. The bird's beak is very long. The bird's beak is very big. Look at a bird. It is a stork. It has a long neck. It has long legs. It has long beak. Look at the animal. It is a fox. Look at the face of the fox. It has a mouth, not a beak. It is a short mouth. It has a tooth and has a long tongue. Now you can read the story of the fox and stork. It is very old story. Good morning, Mrs. Stork. How are you? I am very well, thank you. How are you? Oh, I am very well, thank you. Mrs. Stork, you're my very good friend. Oh, am I? Yes, you are. You're my very good friend. Come to my house. Come and have lunch with me. What are you cooking? I am some soup. I am cooking some soup. I like soup. Come drink my soup. Where is your house? It is near. Look, you can see it. Come to my house. Come and have a lunch with me. The two animals are Mr. Fox's house. Mrs. Stork sitting down. The table and there is a table and tablecloth. There are two bars under the table. One is in front of Mrs. Stork. One in front of Mr. Fox. One in front of Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox is holding a pan of soup. It is hot. Please drink my soup. It is very good. Very good soup. Mrs. Stork, you're my very good friend. Thank you.